reflection activity, I will answer the question, how do human acts affect relationships and society? Human actions have a big effect on both relationships and society. Every action we take, whether good or bad, nagyo na siya epekto labi na sa mga tao nga nagpalibot sa atua. When we choose to be kind, understanding, and respectful, we build strong connections with the other people. For example, when we help a friend who is struggling or apologize when we make a mistake, we strengthen our relationships or connections. But when we act selfishly, lie or hurt others, makagubaw jud na og pagsalig og relasyon. Bigger picture, our actions also affect society. If people treat each other fairly, follow rules, and show concern for others, we can create peaceful and organized society. Simple acts of honesty and responsibility help make the world a better place. However, if people are dishonest, disrespectful, or cause harm to other, mag-cause jud na siya og kagubot or kasamok sa komunidad. That's why it is important to always be mindful of how we treat others or sa atong mga actions. Even small acts of kindness and responsibility can make a big difference. By choosing to do good, we help build better relationships and a better place for everyone. That's all.